Yeah, hello everyone. This is Alex once again from Team Getyn, and today I'm here to give you a quick tour, or you can call it a demo, on Getyn MessageBot application. So, if you have recently signed up for Getyn G Suite, then you actually get an access to Getyn MessageBot application as well, which is one of our application that can be used for WhatsApp and Telegram marketing. So here, if you can see the website, you can see the details about Getyn MessageBot and how you can use it. So basically, this is an application wherein you can connect your WhatsApp, you can connect your Telegram, and you can actually do campaigning to send marketing messages to your customers or clients. And this can also be used for SMS marketing, so you can connect 50 plus carriers that we support to deliver SMS, and you can also use this application to do the SMS marketing. So without further delay, let's go ahead and see how exactly it works. So before I start, you know, uh, you can actually, I would like to tell you that you can actually log into this application in two different ways. First, if you are using a G Suite account, you can actually go to your G Suite dashboard, and if you scroll down, there's an option for message bot. So here's the option where you can see WhatsApp and Telegram marketing app. Simply click on go to app and it will take you to the login page wherein you can actually access the application. So here, or you can also go to this MessageBot website uh, on getyn.com, and you can click onto the sign in button over here and it will allow you to log in to the application. So here's a login page. So I specifically log in onto this app. So I'm directly here on the login page and I'll be logging in by using the demo credentials over here. Okay. All right, so here we are, and we are now logged into the Getyn MessageBot application. So the first page that you see once you are logged in is the dashboard area. So dashboard, as you know, it's a place which gives you a 360-degree view on all the activities which are happening, on your platform. So once you start sending the messages on WhatsApp and Telegram, the data will start populating over here, and you will be able to see a couple of information that would be useful for your team analysis and the platform performance analysis. So you can see basic information like number of campaigns which are currently active, or which are currently allowed on your license, and what is the delivery or the read rate on the messages that you are sending from the platform. So here we can see it's 100% read rate. So whatever the messages that we have sent through the platform were opened by the recipients. And here you can see the total conversation which has happened so far. So you can, for example, like, if you received 41K, chatbot replies, these are the conversations, that has been handled by the chatbot. And if you scroll down, you can see a couple of information like audience growth, the campaign stats. You can also see the information related to the messages that you are sending from the platform, and you can analyze the data accordingly. So quickly move to some of the important sections of the application, and let's see how we can create the WhatsApp campaigns and set it up. Now, before we create the WhatsApp campaign, we need to connect the WhatsApp application with Getyn MessageBot. And the process is pretty simple. Uh, like, you have to enter a couple of details from your Meta business manager. which is the Facebook, portal provided by Meta. So you have to actually create the developer account on Meta, and once you create a developer account, you need to create a WhatsApp application over there. And once you create the WhatsApp application, you will get a couple of information like access token, phone number ID, business ID, and application ID that you need to enter over here. And once you enter that, you will be able to connect your WhatsApp business account with the Getyn MessageBot application. Now, some of our clients find it a bit technical, so for them we provide free support. So let's say if you are not able to create a WhatsApp app by yourself on the developer account of Meta, simply contact us or chat with us, and our team will do it for you without any cost. But just to get you started, we have some basic information which is provided over here. You can follow these instructions by yourself, and you can create the account on Meta and get the WhatsApp API activated, within probably a few minutes. So once you are done with the WhatsApp settings, you will be ready to create the WhatsApp campaigns or chatbots or the flows. So let's suppose you have added all this information, and it has been verified by our application. You can quickly move to WhatsApp, and in this WhatsApp menu, you can see there are a couple of options which are there. So before creating the campaign, it is recommended that you create the contact list or add your contacts. So it's very basic. So for example, if you want to create chatbots, or probably not the chatbot, basically, if you want to create a campaign, you need to have a contact list or the detail of the customer to whom you wants to send the campaigns or messages, right? So for that, you can create a contact list, and inside the contact list, you can actually add the contacts. So over here, as you can see, we have created a contact list. So you can name it anything. It depends upon your business requirement. And once the contact list is created, then you can go to contacts, and you can actually import the contact list, which is like a bulk import, or you can add a single contact by clicking onto the add contact button. So when you click on add contact, you will be able to select the contact list wherein you want to put that particular contact, and it will be added to that particular list. But most of the customer that we have seen, they are using the import feature because they want to import like 100 plus contacts at one go and send the campaigns to them. So yeah, that's the feature that you can use as well. And then you can create segments. So for example, you want to divide your contacts in different segments depending on to your business requirement. For example, like if you have different products and services, and you have different contacts for different products or services, you can segment them by the name of different products and services as well. So that can be done pretty easily to this application. So now once the contacts and everything is added, you will be able to create the campaigns from the campaigns tab. So from the campaigns tab, you can go to the WhatsApp section, and here you can create new campaign, and you can choose the contact list. If you have any segment, you can choose that, and then you can actually select the template. Template is very important. Now with Meta, there are certain requirements wherein you need to get the template pre-approved before sending any messages to the customer. So you have to create the template of the messages you want to send to the customer. And once the template is created, you can select it over here, and you can simply send that particular template or the message to all the contacts that you have within that contact list. And it will send like within few seconds the moment you execute the campaign. So it's that simple. Now let's quickly see how you can create a template, because that's one of the important thing as well. So if we go to the WhatsApp main menu once again, you can go to the templates area, and here you can see there are two templates which has been created, and there's a category of one category is marketing and the another category is utility. So this is very important because when you create a template, you need to tell the system whether it's a utility related message that you are sending to the customer or it's a marketing related message. Now, in the utility, it's like some kind of a notification that you want to send to the customer. For example, if they make a purchase, you want to send them the order confirmation. Or let's say if you want to send them some kind of a, automated, refund related notification, or you want to probably send them probably a welcome message or something like that. So those things comes under the utility section. But let's say if you are sending them some cold messages to sell something, or to sell some like product or services or an online course, then that will come into the marketing category. So you need to carefully select the category over here and accordingly type the content of that particular message. And then you need to, if you want some kind of a button to be placed into that particular message, you can use these options, or you can select none. And yeah, and then you have to submit that. So once you submit that, that will go for a quick review on Meta's account, right? So uh, like whatever the WhatsApp API that you have connected from your Meta account, the system will push this particular template into that particular account. And in general, it takes like maybe 2 to 5 minutes for the template to get approved or rejected. So to see the status of that template, you can come back to the template section, and here you will be able to see whether your template was approved or rejected. So you need to know that if the template is rejected, you will not be able to send that message while creating the campaigns. You need to first get the template approved, and you can only send the approved templates to your customers through the campaigns. So from our side, we allow multiple number of templates to be created. There is no limit to that. You can create as much as templates you want to create. The only thing we need, it has to be approved by the Meta from the background. In case if you are not able to see the status of your template over here and you want to know more detail about it, you can click onto this button over here which says create template from Facebook Pixel. Now it will directly log in you to uh, the Facebook Business Manager account, wherein you can create a template directly onto the WhatsApp Manager inside the Facebook account of your organization. So if you create a template over here, it will be automatically fetched uh, into our system. If not, you can click on load template and it will fetch it automatically from the Facebook account over here as well. So there are two ways to create a template. Either you can create it from here, from inside the Getyn MessageBot application, or you can actually go to the business manager directly inside Facebook and create a template from there. So yeah, so that's how you go about creating the templates. And as I shared previously, once the template is created, you can come back to campaigns and go to WhatsApp and create a new campaign here. And then you can select the template that you have created or approved by the Meta, and then you should be able to send the messages to those contact list within few seconds. So that's how the campaign feature works inside the MessageBot. It's pretty simple and easy. Uh, so as I said, the only thing that you need to make it work is the approved template from Meta and the connected WhatsApp API inside our application. Now let's look at a couple of other options that we have within the application. So let's say if you want to create automated bot replies. So this is the chatbot feature for the WhatsApp, and this is quite easy and simple. So let's say you have some customers who are replying to you or who are sending some business related messages to you, right? It can be anything. It can be hi, hello, or it can be any questions like something like the pricing of the product. So they would be, typing certain keywords and sending it to you through the WhatsApp, uh, to your business. So you can actually detect those keywords or strings and create an automated reply that will go to the customer. So you can name the chatbot anything. It can be anything that you like. Then in the reply type, you can select the option like exact match, can response, or contains. So this is depending upon your process requirement. So let's say if we select the exact match, we can enter any of the keywords related to that messages that you're getting from the customers. Let's say if any customer, inquire about the pricing or costing or anything else related to your product, right? So you can type those keyword by separating them with commas, and you can write your text that here, for example, you can write the pricing for this product, something like that, or whatever as per your business requirement. So whatever the reply that you write and whatever the keyword that you mention over here, the bot will detect that and automatically reply this message to the customer. So in terms of creating the chatbots, you can create multiple chatbots. So this particular chatbot we have created, or we have drafted over here, is related to any keyword wherein customer is asking you about the pricing or the costing, right? And we are replying on the basis to that. But let's say if you have some other keywords that you want to enter, so you can create one more bot for that, and you can enter the reply for that as well. So system will detect it and will automatically reply to the customer. Now you can also uh, enable AI to reply to that particular message. So we have an integration with ChatGPT. So if it is enabled, then you can actually let AI reply all, automatically to all the chats that you're getting on WhatsApp business. So that these are some of the cool features we have within our application that you can easily set it up and automate most of the communication with your WhatsApp customers. And to set up the AI, you can see here's an option over here in the sidebar where you can go to the settings area and you can enter the secret key of your ChatGPT account and simply click on submit. Once you do that, the AI will be automatically enabled on the account, on your MessageBot account over here. And then we have AI Writer, right? So you can actually type certain keywords over here and you can actually see the generated AI content over here, right? So this is just a basic feature. So you can see that, what will happen if somebody is, replying you over the WhatsApp campaign or the Telegram campaign, and if they are using certain keywords with, certain maybe phrase keyword or exact match, you can generate the content and see how AI will actually respond to those particular chats. And if you are not convinced with that, you can simply go to the settings section and disable uh, the AI reply from here, and yeah, it won't actually work on any of the replies which are sent from the Getyn MessageBot. So that's simple as it is, right? So this is a basic AI feature that has been given to you in case if you want to automate the AI features on the chatbots or also on the flows that you create for the WhatsApp. Now, apart from that, let's go back to the bot replies. So as I mentioned, you can create multiple bots depending on to your business requirement. And if you have something bit complex, or if you want to create something advanced, then you can go to the flow builder section over here. Now in the flow builder, uh, you can create advanced replies that you can send to your customers automatically. So this is a drag and drop flow builder. So over here, you can actually initiate the conversation on the basis of, again, some keywords or the string. So you can enter all those keywords over here with commas, and bot will be enabled automatically on those particular keyword if somebody sends that message to your WhatsApp. And then you can create the flow to reply to those particular messages by simply adding these widgets from the left side onto this section and simply connect them uh, by dragging this particular dots to this particular box, and then you can click on inside this widget to further tell the bot that what exactly you want to reply. And in case, let's say, if you want to send that reply after a few seconds, you can mention the delay over here, and below that you can type the message you want to send to that particular chat. So apart from that, let's say once you send that particular message, you might like to send some other options. So you have a couple of other options wherein you can create buttons uh, that you can probably give as a choice to your customers to choose uh, and reply accordingly. You can also send images, you can send video messages, you can send certain documents, you can send your location as well. So this is like a, complete flow that you can build to send, conditional based messages to your customers. Now, conditions can be like the buttons they click on, the replies they send to you. So there can be various conditions that you can create, and you can actually, automate most of the replies that you send to your customer. So this is a very cool feature which is used by many of the businesses these days to automatically reply to customers who are trying to communicate to you via WhatsApp or via Telegram, right? So this is how you can do the flow builder creation and automate your chats by creating the advanced flow within the application, right? So yeah, so that is how you can set up your WhatsApp. That is how you can set up your chatbots, and this is how you can set up the flows to automate the WhatsApp communication with your customer. Now, whatever the replies that you're getting from your customers, you would like to see those messages, and then probably you might have your team members or the agents who would like to reply to those messages, right? So within the tool, we have an option called inbox. So if you click on the inbox, you will be able to see all the messages coming from your WhatsApp chatbots or the direct messages over here in the inbox section. Now here, if you have invited multiple agents, they will be able to reply by simply, uh, clicking over here and sending the manual message. So here you can see this is a sample test bot that we were creating, and the bot gave certain options to the customer, and after selecting those options, customer was getting some automated replies. And then if agent want to interfere in between, they can simply come over here, they can type the custom message and send it to customer. So this is like a live chat, inbox portal wherein your agents can work and communicate with the customers. And as you can see, you can send images, you can send attachments, and couple of you can send the audio notes to your customer, On the right hand side, you can see the basic details about the chats, the lead that you are getting. You can add notes related to that particular chat. So this is like a unified inbox that you can give to your agents to communicate with the customer. Right. So let's go back to the sidebar and see how we can invite the team member. So from the sidebar, if you click on the team member section, yeah. So here you can see that these are the team member that we have invited onto the platform. So all you need to do is to click on add team. Yeah, so in the add team, once you add that, you can add the basic details like their first name, last name, email addresses, their password, and you can choose the permission, like what kind of permission you want to give to that particular team member so that they can access those features, right? So once you do that, click on save, and they will get email alert that they can click on to, accept the invite, and they should be able to, log into the application. If not, you can also share them the email ID and the password directly, and they will be able to log in with that particular ID, onto the platform. So that's about it. And lastly, let's look at the SMS marketing feature as well. So again, in SMS marketing, we support multiple carriers to send and receive the SMS. So these are the carriers that are currently integrated onto the platform. All you have to do is to have an account with them. And once you have an account with them, you need to enter a couple of information to authenticate the token or the API key, and that's it. And it will be connected to our platform. And once it's connected, you have to again create the SMS template that you want to send to your customer. So it's a pretty easy process, something similar that we did in the WhatsApp template page. So you can create the message that you want to send to those customer, and once it's created, you can go to the broadcast option, and you can create a new broadcast, and you can enter all these information, the contact list, the segment, the template, the country details, and the text that you want to, particularly send to that customer. If you're selecting a template, the text will be automatically populating over here. And then you will, on the right hand side, you will be able to see the preview of that SMS, that how exactly it's going to look to the customer, and then you can click on send. So the moment you click on send, the SMS will be sent immediately to the customer using the provider that you have connected. And yeah, so whatever the activity that happens on that SMS, you should be able to see that within the dashboard area of your Getyn MessageBot. Great. So this is all about MessageBot, and as I said, it's a very straightforward application to automate your WhatsApp communication, your Telegram communication by creating easy going chatbots and the flows. So if you have signed up for a trial, or if you're on a paid plan, just give it a go, and I hope it works seamlessly for you. Just in case if you need any assistance, feel free to email us at support@getyn.com, or you can also go to our website and click onto this chat icon over here to talk to our live expert, and we'll be happy to assist you to set up the things from our side. All right, so I hope I was able to give you a quick info on MessageBot. So you have a lovely day ahead. Thanks for watching us once again. Thank you.